Hey guys, Derek Pierce here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get super fast results for your clients just using some simple data that you have readily available to you. So let's go ahead, let's dig into my desktop, and I'm going to show you exactly how to pull this off. All right, so we're looking at a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a popular SEO tool, and I believe they have a trial set up for anybody that's not a member. But what we do is this is the first thing that we look at anytime we look at a potential client or somebody has inquired about hiring us or wanting us to look at their SEO to see what it is that we can do for them. This is the first place we start. I should also mention that not only can this help you to get better results and get fast results for your clients, but this also can help you close more deals just by knowing this data up front. You'll know what you're up against, and you'll look like you know what you're talking about versus a lot of the other people that are just spamming them with emails. So let's walk through this. I'll show you exactly how we do this. So this is a site that I just pulled up. I have no affiliation with this whatsoever. I just Googled Franklin, Tennessee gyms and pull this off of page 3. And whenever I plug this in, you can see an overview of this website here. So you can see we've got, we're looking at there's 333 backlinks coming from 51 referring domains, but this is what we want to pay close attention to right here. So there's 760 organic keywords that they're currently ranking for. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this, and this is going to show us all of the keywords that they're currently ranking for, as well as their position. So you can see gyms, Franklin, Tennessee, looks like they have moved up one spot to number 6. Gyms in Brentwood, Tennessee, looks like they've moved out of the top 10 into position number 13. So we have a lot of data here that we can use to work with, and if we're creating a proposal for them or anything like that, we can use this data to our advantage. So what we want to do is we want to focus our first targets on those sites that are, let's say, on page 2 or page 3 or page 4, because that way we're going to be able to move the needle better, and it's going to be easier, and they're going to be able to see faster results. So what we want to do is we want to go right here where it says position, and we just want to type in the number 11 to number 49. So this is going to get us anywhere from page 2 up to page 5. So we click apply, and this is going to show us all the rankings. So like in this example, gyms in Brentwood, you can see they're number 13. Franklin Gym, they're number 11. Fitness internships, which I don't know if they would want to rank for that or not, but you get a good idea of what their existing keywords are, and you've got an idea of how you can move these up in the search results. So now what we want to do is we want to look at each of these pages to see if we can tweak the pages a bit to help their SEO results. And that is exactly how you get super fast results by simply looking at the data. Also, in a lot of cases, whenever you're talking to a client and you ask them, okay, what keywords are you wanting to target? Often they don't even know which keywords that they're actually ranking for. So if you use this from the standpoint of going into a proposal or creating a proposal, or if you're, pitching your services with them, you can say, hey, you're currently ranking number 13 for this. You're currently ranking number 32 for that. And these are going to be our first targets. It doesn't matter if it's a local service. It doesn't matter if it's somebody that is in the information business, or if you're building links to affiliate sites. This is exactly how we do this. These are going to be our first targets because these are going to be easier to be moved up to the first page so they can actually start seeing traffic right away. Now, I should add, in some cases, you're going to come across clients or business owners that have no idea what they want to rank for. And in those scenarios, you can use this same strategy as well. So there's been times where I say, okay, what would you like to rank for? What's the keywords that you feel like that you would be beneficial to your business? And they have no idea because they're like focused on payroll and making sure that their staff is showing up and all of this other stuff and making sure the doors are open. They don't think about, okay, what's somebody going to type in to find me? It's just out of their expertise. And so they'll be like, oh, I don't know. I don't have a clue. So in those instances, what you can do is you say, okay, Give me your top 3 competitors in your market right now. And what you can do is you can plug in the competitors inside of Ahrefs to get a big keyword list, so that way you can narrow it down to start showing them what they could be getting in front of. And when you do that, you can see right here, you're getting an estimated volume, estimated search volume, and you will know what you need to do in order to achieve and get them results as fast as humanly possible, because that is where you're going to keep them and retain them, is keeping them happy and where they can see results as soon as possible once they hire you. So if you've enjoyed this video, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. I publish videos on affiliate marketing, SEO, as well as video marketing. Also, be sure to subscribe to my my webinar training. There's a link below this video. If you've not done so, be sure to check that out. I explain exactly how we do this from A to Z, and how we get results for our clients, as well as how we build out our affiliate marketing website. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.